Today I'll show you how to remove background from your image using Canva. So first of all, you want to head over to canva.com. Once you're here, you want to click upload, and then on here you can upload your image. After you have uploaded, you want to hit use in a new design, custom size, and yes. Now you can see your image as a page. To remove the background, you can click on the image, and on the top you can see a button that says edit photo. You want to click on it. Now check the left hand side. You can see all the effects, all the things you can do to the image. You can see tools, filters, and effects. But all you care about is the BG remover underneath tools. BG stands for background. However, you need a pro subscription to use this feature. I actually made a video about this on how to get pro subscription for free. So if you're interested in removing your background, make sure to check the video down in the description. After that, you can hit on BG remover and you will remove the background on its own. Now the background of this image has been removed. If you aren't satisfied with this result, you can head over to the tool icon on background remover. On here, you can freely erase or restore your image. So let's just say I want the left hand side of the background to be restored. You can click on restore and you can select the brush size as well. And then you can carefully brush over the area that you want to restore. Let's just say I want this area to be here. Or if you don't want it, you can hit on erase and erase the part of image. After that, you can drag this image into different designs, or maybe if you have any projects or design that you want to use this image in, you can maybe put an overlay in it, and then you can put on some captions as well. It looks like this person is talking about something. Or you can feel free to download this image as well. You can hit over the share button on the top, click over download. You can either download transparent background or you can download the white background of this image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.